Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here today to try the new KFC Matty Matheson Poutine or Poutine, depending on where you're from. So join us. So the first thing you'll notice is the bag. Look how cool the bag looks. It's one of the first fast food chains here in Canada that has cool branding. Usually it's always the USA that has the best branding when it comes to fast food stuff. But looks like they knocked it out of the park.
Hey, he's a St. John's boy, and we're planning to move down there, so we have to be fans.
Yeah. So, first of all, before I even open this and look at it, I have not looked at it yet. The pictures you'll see right here, hopefully. Okay? If I'm able to edit it correctly, it's right here. Now, I want to say KFC and the chef's name, Matty Matheson, who is a Canadian chef, a maritime chef.
And he's on the bear.
Should never be mentioned in the same sentence.
He's on the
but
Bear.
for some reason, he's on the Bear, the TV show. But he should a chef's name should never be mentioned in the same sentence as KFC. He is for this instance. He's got a poutine that I'm going to show you. He's got burgers, and he's got all kinds of stuff. So it should never be mentioned. Let's try this poutine and see how it is. It's supposed to be good for 2 people, and I'm telling you now, it is heavy. 2 people or one of me. Whoa! Look at this monster. Now, it was a good 15-minute ride to come home, so it's all mushy, and it might not look good, but really, it's how does it taste? That's the important thing. Let's do it. So, gonna get a bit of cheese. So there's cheese in it, of course. It's poutine. There's potatoes.
Curds, cheese curds.
There's cheese curds. There's potatoes, French fries. There's onions, fried onions, right here. These are fried onions. This is not bird droppings. Fried onions. There is these. What are these called?
Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chickens, which I'm not crazy about. I like the original, and everything else a poutine has. I think there's a cheese sauce in here.
Cheese sauce as well.
So I'm gonna try to get it all in
right
one
here.
shot, and I'm gonna tell you if you're lucky enough to be in Canada and can get one of these, if you should buy or not. So, down the gullet.
Do it.
One more. I don't think I got chicken. Let me try one. I can tell you right away, the taste, if you like fried onions, really good. One more time. We don't want to be here all day watching me eat.
Seriously.
I'm sure other people have other things to do, like watch our other videos, cruise videos, how-to videos, restaurant reviews. Check them out. Let's see, one more time. Anyone who's a fan of KFC chicken, poutines, or even Matty Matheson should try this. It looks like slop, but it's really good. The KFC gravy, the fried onions really hit the spot, and the cheese. They're not traditional cheese curds that squeak, but I like the Kentucky cheese. It's really good. So, my 2 thumbs up. That's my opinion. So guys, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you later.